Nice.
Talagang nabatag. Maraming alam.
What's the name of the other one?
What's the name of your doll?
Nawala na siya sa puppy niya.
Kaya siya sa papi, ano?
Oh, there. Yeah.
Mama, open that.
She's introducing her.
That's mommy. Si Kuya hindi
Very
nag-open.
nice.
Big boy na yan.
Naantok si Kuya eh.
Hindi, big boy na yan.
Why are you sleeping?
Iyakan pa kayo.
No, don't worry, it's your vacation.
Miguel is big now.
Yeah, Miguel is very, very matured enough.
May girlfriend na yata si Kuya Miguel.
Ka-dexmate yun, no?
May girlfriend daw ulit?
Wala pa?
Kabi-break lang yan.
Ano talaga?
Kuya Miguel, ha? Ikaw, ha?
Well, it's a puppy love.
Ano yan? Naka-10 na yan.
Nakasampu ka na?
Hmm.
Ayan, umalis tuloy. Ulit ako lang.
Umalis na.
Anak. Hindi, mag-bathroom lang isa.
Nice.
Ay, naku talaga naman.
Gusto niya talaga ng puppy.
You sing Twinkle Twinkle to your puppy. Come on.
Yes, eh.
Go, go, go.
Hello.
Yung ngiti ng bata.
Galing yan.
Hello, puppy. Mikey. Yeah.
What about you, ate? What's the name of your
Ah, yeah,
dog?
you need to give him a name.
What's the name of your dog?
Which one?
The big one.
Flop.
The small one.
Floppy?
Huh?
Lap? L-A-P?
Yeah.
Oh, lap.
Lap. You
Lap means Mikey.
your puppy will sleep beside you?
Of
Ah,
course.
Really?
Of course. The other one, the baby, the Dora. Excited,
Patingin
huh?
kay mami niya eh, no?
Can I at least look at what Kuya says?
No, 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 that's
Yeah,
good.
Mikey has the tag.
I
Oh, no.
Ano yung Mike din dyan, oh.